Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Start by accessing Play Store and typing in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this completely free app from this developer and choose Open. Now just wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then click on Home button, tap on iOS Launcher, click Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Oppo, but you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing App Management over here, choosing Default Apps and clicking on Home App. If you wish to go back into your system launcher, just tap on it. If you wish to set up iOS, tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!